Oh, hey, didn't see you there. I was just about to leave, but since you're here, why don't you come on in and check out my new listing at 100 Millpark Road in Millrise. Come on in. Well, here we are again at another new listing of mine in Millrise. Guys, this property is extensively upgraded. Let me go through a few of the highlights for you. So we've got features like a new furnace, a new roof, new paint on the outside, new bathrooms, new hardwood upstairs. There's so many upgrades in this house, I can barely remember them all. Why don't you do this? Take a look at the pictures, read the listing description, watch the video, and then if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'd love to help you out at my new listing here in Millrise.